I'm going to show you how to hide all your Facebook photos at once. On your phone, navigate to your Facebook app and tap on it. Right in the menus, locate this icon and tap on it. Scroll down till you locate Settings and Privacy and click it. Proceed to click on Settings. Right here, locate Profile Settings and click it. Under here, locate Profile and Tagging and click it. Right here under Tagging, click on Who can see posts that you are tagged in on your profile. From here, scroll down and locate See More and click it. Right here, you have a bunch of options. You can proceed to click on Only Me, and when you tap on Only Me, that means any post that is on your timeline, including photos and videos, and all photos and posts that you've been tagged in, it will only be seen by you. You can also proceed to pick on specific friends, or you can decide to select on friends except certain individuals that you don't want them to see. You have a bunch of functionality here to pick from. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. Thank you very much. Bye bye.